Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of beauty and lifestyle content. Today I'm going to be making a banana loaf and I thought I might share this quick and easy recipe with you guys. So you guys, I already have all the ingredients prepped and ready for me to use. I will link the recipe for you guys down in the description box below. Let's get started. So what you're going to need is a baking tray that looks like this, and I'm going to spray it with Cook and Spray olive oil. I've taken out the bread loaves and they have cooled down completely. As you can see, I'm actually touching the tray. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take them out. You guys, this is amazing. You guys should really try this recipe. The banana taste is there, but it's not so in your mouth. Like, it doesn't overpower the rest of the recipe. And it's so moist. You guys, my dog is actually asking me for a piece. I'm just going to give her a piece just to keep her quiet. My word, my cats are here as well. Stop, quiet it. Okay, so if you guys are wondering what's going on with my hair, I'm actually shooting another video. I'm trying out these hot rollers that my mom gave me. The link will be in the description box for you guys to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bells, and leave a comment down below if you have anything to say, if you have any comments. Thank you guys. Bye bye.